Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an aesthetic thumbnail for our YouTube video using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have visited canva.com, and first of all, I'm going to go to the more option and I'm going to search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to choose the ratio for YouTube thumbnail. And I'm going to search for an aesthetic theme. Right, I'm going to go to the theme and I'm going to search for aesthetic. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates for us, and you can choose the template that you like. And for example, guys, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to create thumbnail with this template, and I'm going to replace the image in this template with my own image. So I'm going to go to the upload, and then I'm going to choose one of the images here. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, we can drag the image to the template to replace it. Okay, and this is the final result. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can modify the template. For example, you can change the text or the font here. You can replace it with your own text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a static YouTube thumbnail. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.